subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Xiaomi has launched two new flagship phones in China called Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro with quite unique rear panel design. Both of these devices looks quite identical but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Xiaomi 13 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Xiaomi 13 Pro smartphone.
The Xiaomi 13 Pro features a TOS 6.73-inch OLED 2K resolution display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate support, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and it also has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 740 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128, 256 or 512GB of UFS 4.0 high-speed storage. In terms of camera, the Xiaomi 13 Pro supports a Leica featured triple camera setup on the rear that includes 150MP 1-inch main camera with Sony IMX989 sensor, and it supports hyper-optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 50MP floating 75mm telephoto lens with 3.2x optical and up to 70x digital zoom with OIS support, and it also has another 50MP ultra wide angle lens with 115° field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 24 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box with MIUI 14 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a large 4820 mAh battery with 120W wired, 50W wireless and 10W reverse wireless charging support. For safety, the company has added a large ultra-thin VC liquid cooling system that protects the phone in extreme conditions, and it is also IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, IR blaster and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.9 by 74.6 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 229 grams.
So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone.
The Xiaomi 13 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 4,999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 5,399 Chinese yuan, and there is 12GB plus 256GB storage variant is priced at 5,799 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 6,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from December 14th in ceramic white, ceramic black, flora green and mountain blue color options.
So what do you guys think of the Xiaomi 13 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.